Hey guys, it's Tori. So first off, I hope everybody had a great holiday. Happy New Year. And we're gonna go ahead in today's video and I have a picture frame. It has a canvas in it. So it's something that I got from my mom and I wanna fix it because it broke. Let me show it to you. Okay, so it's this picture frame, and of course you can't see all of it, but the canvas broke off of it. So when I got it, I didn't actually know that it was broken, but then I noticed that it had nails sticking out of it that were dangerously poking. And however it was put together, it wasn't done properly. So I pulled the nails out and I have been researching how to fix this so it is done properly. There's no nails sticking out. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I watched a couple videos and we're gonna try it myself. So here's the canvas. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep it or not, but either way, I wanna fix it. So we have the canvas and we have the frame. Let's get started. So first thing first, I was charging the battery. We're gonna use an electric drill. And I ordered these canvas clips and they're meant for picture frames. Okay, so all I did was place this on top and you'll see here, like this little frame part will hold this up temporarily. So you just wanna make sure that it's in position. And we're gonna go ahead, take one of these canvas clips and the screw. So, now I've never done this before, but I watched another video, so I think we got it right. So we're gonna go ahead and place this just like so. So let me move this out, okay. Okay, so all I did was place this just like so. And the way I got this measurement too was I just measured the distance of how much the canvas sticks out, which I got about 1/2 inch. So we can place it like this, or let's see about here. I think it might be better if we place the longer end over here. So, because then it holds the canvas better. And you'll notice that I have holes on both sides. They do make them where they're not like that, and I'm gonna try not to do that. Let's just kind of play it by ear. So let's, I'm so out of breath from fighting with this stupid drill, getting the battery out of it. Oh my gosh, but I got it. So we're gonna go ahead and just line this up. And we're just gonna drill this in. Let me get a good handle on it. Okay. And let's just make sure it's the right way. Okay. So I'm just giving this some support and we're gonna drill it in. And I think I have this going the opposite way. Okay, so we're gonna put this in here, give it some support. Perfect, that was easy. All right. I think we're gonna be fine not drilling because I don't wanna drill into the picture, but let's go ahead and keep putting these around. I'm thinking of doing like 2 or 3. So let's just kind of sporadically put this around. And again, I'm putting the top one on. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. So let's just start with 2 going around and then we'll tighten it up. So far, this is super simple. I think the hardest part was just trying to find out the size, like I said. Let's go ahead and do that. And I probably would put a blanket underneath just to kind of protect your painting, but I'm not. Looking good. Just one more, and then we're gonna fold it up, check it out. So far I've just done 2, and I think 2 may be perfect, just 2 on each side. And we'll see how well that works when we hold it up. We can always put 3 on each side. Okay. Wow, this is really, really secure just with the 2. So let's go ahead, move it up, and I'll show it to you. It looks great, and I'm so impressed with how easy it was to do. Look how secure this is. It's not going anywhere. I mean, obviously it's a canvas, so it's gonna have some way, but look at this. This is awesome. It looks awesome, and it's done. So you also, I saw that you guys can like put a paper over it or some sort of felt. I'm fine the way it is. So hope this helped you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.